What's up, guys? Clay with EKNIVES.com. Get a look at this. This is a protocol. This is the newest flipper from Sean Marfione and the Marfione Custom Shop. This one has something they just started using that I haven't seen them use before, but it's fat carbon. So the scales are fat carbon. It's called black camo. Looks really cool. Really cool against these blue accents. Great action on this. DLC Apocalyptic blade, so it's got a Apocalyptic Stonewash finish. DLC coated. That black camo fat carbon is really cool. It's a neat pattern. Alright guys, I got one of these in stock. EKNIVES.com. Call or text me 423-525-9477. As always, it comes with the metal COA with all the stuff on it, the zippered pouch with the Velcro dagger logo, carbon fiber style box with all the info on the label, and a cleaning cloth. EKNIVES.com. Thanks guys.